Most people have issue withdrawing from their Binance account to their other wallet like metamask or trust wallet. So in this particular video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from, let's say, an Ethereum from a Binance account to your metamask account. All right, because because of as a result of these mistakes, a lot of coins are being lost on a daily basis. Most of the emails that I receive are from people who have, let's say, make one or such mistakes or something. So this video should be detailed enough to show you guys exactly what to do in that kind of situation. So let's just dive right into the video and give it a look and check it out. So the next thing you're going to see here.
All right, here we go. So I have $71 worth of Ethereum here, and then I've already copied the address of that I want to send to Ethereum address for my MetaMask. All right, and my MetaMask when I opened it is on Ethereum network, so it's not on Smart Chain network. So this is going to Ethereum network. That's why you see me fixing the ERC20. All right, so when I click withdraw, this other stage where you are seeing almost everything is blank is where I'm supposed to enter my my ID, the token that is sent to my phone number and my email. After you have entered this token, maybe this OTP that is sent to your email and your phone number, there's nothing you can do about the phone. It has gone and it has gone. So I have to go to my email now to copy it. All right, so I have a different email that is linked to, so I have to scroll down and then copy it. All right, I've copied the one of phone number and entered it on the Binance account, the phone number section. All right, so like I said, the only way you can stop this transaction right now is not entering this token. After entering this token, it is gone and it is gone. All right, that's the one for the mobile phone. Copy it, go back and paste it. I'm sorry that this place is blank, but it's just for the security reasons. All right, now having done that, if then I click withdraw, then what you see next is awaiting approval. All right, so it will take about most times it takes in less than 30 minutes for the withdrawal to be done. Most times it takes about 20 minutes for the withdrawal to be. So by now, if you check the MetaMask address, the fund has reflected, or maybe in about 30 minutes it will reflect there. So it's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as APC. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was a lot more helpful to you. All right, so do well to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. I'm going to be uploading more and more of this content to you guys, so be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. So it's important that the writing, you know how to do the writing. And most people will say, okay, because the fee is less on the BSC network, they want to send on BSC. When it doesn't reflect, it becomes a problem. So in order to avoid all of these things, so you have to just do the